In this tutorial video, we're going to go through how to add a draft to a model. So you can see here, we're going to use this model as an example, and this currently has a vertical edge to the side of the model. But we do not want to have a vertical wall to this 3D model, and I would like to add an angle to it. And we can do this using the Add Draft to Model tool. So to use the Add Draft to Model tool, we do not need to select the model, as it will apply the draft to any visible models in the project. And then we'd need to go over here and select the Create a Component from Visible Model with Draft Added option. So once you click on here, you can see now it has brought up the Add Draft to Model form. So if we look at the option available in this form, we can see here that it says Draft Angle. This will be the angle that will be applied to the vertical edge of the model. So you can choose this angle by either using the slider here to select the angle you want, or you can enter the exact angle here. So for example, if I want to apply a 25-degree angle, I can just enter this here and then click Apply to apply it to any visible model in the project. So you can see here now in the 3D view, it has added a 25-degree angle to the vertical edge of the model. So if we close out this and go to the Components tab here, you can see that we have two 3D components listed, and you can see one of them is called Model with 25-degree Draft. So this is the model that we have just created, and this is the original model. The draft tool will always create a new model with the draft added on, and the angle of the draft will be included in the name of this new component. So now if I hide the model we have just created with the draft angle for a second, you can see here that we can now see the original model we started with, and if we then turn the visibility of this model back on, we can see the angle that was applied again. I hope you have found this tutorial video helpful that goes through using the Add Draft to Model tool in the software.